Educating America by Brian Schaefer. Stats that should scare you. According to the Program for International Student Assessment, the results from 2012, out of 64 countries, the U.S. is 35th in math and 27th in science. According to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, a 34-member board, which sponsors PISA, the U.S. is ranked 27th in math and 20th in science. Either way you go, we're not faring well. The literacy rate for the U.S. is 24th in the world. The cognitive skills and educational attainment rating is 0.39. This places the U.S. 14th in overall education. So what is our problem? Well, we need to address current issues and address our problems. More technological interaction, not less. This includes allowing students to access their technology during class, with less emphasis on standardized tests. With the vast array of tests required these days, ACT, SAT, benchmarks, standardized state tests, it's no wonder that students are test ready rather than learning. More emphasis on critiquing teachers. This means that even teachers would be expected to perform on a certain level. Understanding teachers' importance and their pay. Perhaps standardizing educators' salaries statewide would assist in this regard. Well, when you don't know, copy. Singapore has one of the best education systems in the world since obtaining sovereignty in 1965. Future schools are public schools with heavy emphasis on technology, digital media, and 21st century skills. The student-to-teacher ratio is approximately 40-1. Learning to be techie. According to the Director General of Education, Ministry of Education in Singapore, Ms. Ho Peng, the kids are really from a very different world now. In order to reach out to the kids, you have to be very savvy with technology. If you're not savvy with technology, you're going to lose the kids in school. So why not copy off of Singapore? Chat rooms utilized in classrooms. Teachers have access to questions and statements in real time on an overhead projector for the entire classroom to see. This enables other students to answer as well as the teacher. Upgrades the pupil's understanding of material and technology. And the use of smartphones and tablets is encouraged. This allows access to the teacher via Facebook and Twitter, lessons via Facebook, and YouTube lessons. The Singapore teachers, they're recorded. Their lessons are recorded, which allows for the playbacks to be critiqued and analyzed. Criticism and positive feedback pushes teachers to be better. Their lessons, the feedback pushes lessons and opens up new techniques. New techniques develop better lessons for students. As you can see, they're enabled to match what's on their smartboard with what's on their tablet in front of them. Well, if we map our education based upon proven techniques, the technology-friendly environments for learner access and benefit, we could reduce standardized tests with emphasis on learners' experience and not just a test-ready student. We can record lessons and broadcast them across the system. Access to other teachers' methods and lessons, and it also allows us to better map our teachers so that they could always learn how to be better and how to utilize the best possible methods. And we can increase pay, standardize, then incentivize with bonuses for excellence. Conclusion. We should understand that the world is an ever-evolving place. As such, the idea that education should be a stagnant environment where simply upgrading blackboards or videos improves the quality of education should be cast aside. There is nothing wrong with mirroring greatness, and if that means utilizing other countries' methods to facilitate our own growth and prosperity within our education system, then so be it. Mirror other countries until we have rebuilt our schools, and thus we can rebuild our greatness. Thank you for your time. With all of my references.